Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Daniel Chinchilla, which you probably might already know because you ran into my weird little video. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun video for you guys, and before we get started, I need to say that I feel really cute right now. You know what it is? I never have color on, like this is always me. Hi, I'm Daniel. But I put some color in my life and I feel really cute. Today I am going to review the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, there's something in my eye. Wow, I felt like a spider was inside my eyeball. Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. First of all, let's talk about this package here. I got a little rock. Oh my god. This is so pretty. It's like a stone. Love this. This is going like on my shelf like next to a plant. As if you didn't know, I'm like 90 years old, so I spend most of my time planting and like watering my plants in my garden. Very mature. Mature. Ooh, I'm fancy. They also gave me this. Just look at this little cute like frame. I think it's a frame. What is this? Somebody tell me what this is. I mean, I know it stands up, but like what exactly does it do? Is it just for prettiness? Because it's pretty. Alright guys, so this is the Soft Glam palette, and when I saw this palette, I'm not gonna lie, I don't use a lot of color on the face, like in terms of like makeup. I'm not someone to put like blue eyeshadow on somebody or like green, like it's just not really my style. I'd rather make someone look really like soft and beautiful and like flawless and glowy and bronzy. My point of that story was that when I saw this palette on Instagram, I was like, a palette that I love. Like, right now I'm obsessed with the Dose of Colors Warm Browns palette. It's so good. When I saw this, I was like, this could be my new obsession. I could be obsessed with this Anastasia Soft Glam palette. She could be the one. She can really be the one. So the Soft Glam palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, everything's falling out. It's the brush. Palette is like, it's like velvet. Very soft glam. I like these palettes because they're really like soft and like it's cardboard. I feel like when you have like a plastic or like palette type of thing, if you drop it or bang it too many times, like your palette might retire. Look at this palette. Wow, 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 wow. I'm super excited. So today I'm not gonna do a full like eye tutorial on myself. I'm pretty much just going to review this and tell you guys what I think, tell you if you need to get it. From what I see, I need it in my life. Normally Anastasia has a lot of like brighter colors, like they'll have like a yellow in there, like a blue or things like that. And I don't normally use those colors, so I don't keep them in my kit that much. But this, if I like these like the pigmentation of the colors and all that, this is going in my kit. So I'm gonna swatch this. This is Tempera. Very soft. This feels like butter. This color, the texture of it is so soft. Next I'm gonna do glistening. Wow. You know what I like about these? I can tell that they're so easy to blend. A lot of makeup companies are so like, we're gonna put out like really crazy colors and blah blah blah. And then they're like, you can't blend them. Once I put it on my eye, how is this gonna get blended? Is a professional gonna come to my house and blend it? Because I don't know how. Okay, rose pink. I'm obsessed. Okay, sultry, which is like a super soft. I mean, it literally like falls apart on my finger. It's so creamy, like in a good way. It's just gonna blend so easily on your face. Bronze, which is like more of a yellow gold. Love. I'm having a weird time being like, can you see? Can you see? I love these. Where's my inhaler? I need my inhaler. Like literally, heart attack, heart failure, asthma attack, all of the above. Okay, I need to wipe my fingers somehow. I need a tissue, I need a tissue. I don't have one. This is Mulberry. This one, this palette is so, it even looks so pretty like on the camera. What? Who makes a palette like this? Mulberry, which is a deeper color. You know what I find with a lot of like dark colors is they're super hard to blend because they're just like it just sticks on your eye. This is Butter. Butter, butter, butter. Dusty Rose, pretty like transition crease color. Then we have Fairy berry seems a little bit more yellow than glistening. It's similar to glistening, but it's a little bit more like lighter, not as warm. My fingers, I can't. How am I going to show you guys this when I have 500 colors on my hand? I had to get a napkin. I couldn't do proper swatches for you guys. Okay, burnt orange, this little nugget. Oh my god, this palette is so good. If you watch my videos, you know I don't say things just like to say it. Like, I don't say, oh my god, like they sent me this, so I'm just gonna say it's good. No, not my thing. I'm gonna always be honest. This palette is so good. I'm crying. It's the palette, it's the texture, but it's also the colors that I'm in love with. They're just so pretty and like beautiful. This one's a little bit more brown. I love that these are all in the same family, but they're all slightly different. I'm so happy. Like, I literally, this is going right into my kit. Such a pretty brown. And I love that it's not like dusty looking. Like, it's still very rich. And a black, which is called Noir. Noir. Look at that. It's black. Wow. So these are the colors. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I need to get them to send me 40 more of these because I never want to run out. I feel like there are so many combinations I can make with this, and you can go from a light like natural eye to like obviously a more dramatic glam eye. But I love the neutral colors. This is, honestly, Anastasia has what, 10, 15 palettes? This is the very first one that I'm obsessed with. Because you know, in palettes there's always that color or those couple colors where you're like, okay, this is a good deal, so I'm gonna get it, but I'm never gonna use those like 3 colors right there. So everything is used up and those 3 colors are like super full, never been touched. This palette, all of them are so nice. I'm so glad they sent it. This is worth it 100,000%. The pigment is so rich, it's gonna look good on any skin tones, from the lightest girl to the darkest girl or boy. The shimmer colors are super pigmented and glide on so smooth, and they don't fall off. By gliding it onto my hand, it's literally butter. Second ingredient is margarine. This is a vibe. It comes with a brush. I never trust these little brushes. Brushes, not bad. And it's soft. Not mad at the brush either. Worth it for sure. You should definitely get it. If you're into like these warm colors, I would definitely get it. I love it. It came off pretty easily also, but that doesn't mean it's gonna come off easy on your eye, especially if you have like a good primer and all that good stuff, which I like the MAC primers. I love the Too Faced primers, Urban Decay primers. Put a primer first, obviously, but that's with any eyeshadow because it helps the eyeshadow from falling and from creasing and from not lasting throughout the day. Oh, I've heard this story so many times. They're like, oh, I thought I was cute all day long, and then I looked in the mirror and I was like, where did my makeup go? So you don't want that. That's why you always use a primer. I just love how creamy they are. I am not used to this. Like this, Anastasia, you guys have stepped it all the way up with this palette. That is my review on this. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this palette, if you like it. Let me know what look you want to see because I want to actually create a look with this palette for you guys because I love it. Literally love. I mean, I've said it 9 times. I'm sorry, I'm probably super annoying right now. I need to let go of this thing. I found a palette that I love. I am in love with you all the way, all the way. I want to slow dance with this palette. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what look you want to see so I can create a look for you guys. And I love you. Thank you for hanging out with me like always. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Bye.